What's up, YouTube? This is Andre Miller. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I want to say welcome here. If you've been here before, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about ways to make money from home. All right, so ways to make money from home. So I'm going to jump into things, and I'm going to show you guys some websites. I know many people are very visible, so instead of keep talking and explaining everything, I'm going to actually show you guys. Now, I've done some research on these websites and they're legit. So there are ways how to make money from home. And I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you guys. So if this is if it's your first time to this channel shows you and talk about ways to make money from home, entrepreneurships, and ways how you can have some extra income, side income, or side hustle. I know most people are always trying to find ways how to make extra money. So welcome. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time watching this. If you repeat, let me know. So just put it down in the comment section, all right? So I'm going to show you guys. So let me just quickly share my screen. So unbelievable. This is really cool. Done my research, and I've found out that this actually works. So there's a website that is called Cardpool. So Cardpool is a website. So I know the holidays are coming up, all right? And there's going to be a lot of people who's going to be giving you like gift cards, and so maybe at a point in your life you need some extra cash or you want to exchange them. Now this website will actually give you money back. Now they're not going to give you, if the gift card is $100, they're not going to give you like right off the bat $100. They're going to give you at least 80%. So if you're looking for cash, they can mail you a check. So let's say we're going to go on here and we're going to look for, let's say somebody give you, right, Victoria's Secret. Now if you go through here, they're going to give you, save it to 5%, Walmart 3.5%. Now let's say someone give you a Macy's gift card, for the holidays. So let's say you get a Macy's gift card. So if you look here, all right, if you guys look here, the value is 50, 8% off. So you could buy gift cards here, or you could sell them. So let's see if we could sell one of them. All right, I'm going to show you guys that you can actually sell it. So let me just type like this in. Cardpool. All right. So find a gift card now. Click on this. All right. You can search for it. So you can buy a gift card or you can sell a gift card. So let's say you want to buy one. Maybe for the holidays you want to buy some or you want to sell some. So let's say you want to sell a gift card. You have a gift card. If you look down here, right? Let me just move this out of the way. Right down here it says enter your gift card, see your payment for offer instantly, get paid cash right away. So let's say you get a Starbucks, right? You get a Starbucks, and the Starbucks that you get was $50, right? So choose how you want them to pay you. So maybe you have a Starbucks gift card and you want to exchange it into an Amazon gift card. So that's really cool. Like, any gift card, you could switch it over to them. You can earn 6% more, right? Or they can mail you a check. So put $50, mail a check. So get paid faster with a eligible balance of $50. You can instantly earn $37.75. So you see that? Or you can get paid more. Paid up to $44.03. So your desired payout is going to be that. So again, you're not going to get like the full amount, but you still can make money from the gift cards. So maybe you have some gift card that some stores you're not really a fan of, and you're like, all right, let me just cash this out. So you could still, so it's a win-win. You make some money, they make some money. They create the website. All right. So that's one way how you guys can, ways how you can make money from home. Now, the next way, ways how you can make money from home in 2018, you come here, how fulfillment order. So this is Amazon. So in Amazon, they have Amazon FBA, right? So you could sign up for Amazon FBA. So you can sell products and services through Amazon. So how it works, they have videos here. So if you guys can go through the videos, I'm just showing you guys these things. I'm not going to go into details and everything, but you know, do your research and just go through it. There's tons of videos online how to set up Amazon FBA, and they give you simple steps, right? If you already have a selling on Amazon account, you know, you can add it or you can get started. If you don't have one, create one, all the type of stuff. Create your product listing, prepare your products, ship your products to Amazon or whatever it is. So there's different ways. So check out that Amazon FBA. That's a great way. And so that's e-commerce. Excuse me. So the next thing is Shopify. So if you guys never heard of Shopify, Shopify is e-commerce as well. You can create an e-commerce store and you could sign up, right? Sign up for it. Let me see. You could click on here. Let me just show you. Let me just pull it up. Yeah. So you can sign up, right? Your brand, your way, your design skills, all that kind of stuff. Go through it, ways how to sell it. So I'm going to show you a Shopify store, by the way. And this is someone else's store. So I'm displaying your store. Hopefully you will get some sales. So if you're into, like, let's say, you know, this person actually create a Shopify store. Now what Shopify is. Shopify, and let me just explain what e-commerce is overall. E-commerce is buying, you know, you're like the middleman itself. So you would have a store. So this would be the person's store. This person will never see the product or touch the product unless they want to. Now, some people, you know, after a while when their store get really huge, they probably want to create like a warehouse, you know, like get like a one of those warehouse, or you can get one of the storage units. Some people keep their stuff in storage unit, right? So if your store is huge and you're making a lot of sales and you want them to go quicker, so these items come from one location to the next. Now you have Shopify. There's like manufacturers all over the world. There's manufacturers in the US as well. So this person probably will not see this type of product. Maybe they're the creator of this product. Again, I'm not getting paid for this, but I'm just using the store. So let's say you buy the product from this person. This will go to the person who actually sells it. So let's say it goes from point A. Your B, it goes from point A to C. So your B, you receive the money, you buy the stuff from the manufacturer, which is A, and then you send it to the customer, which is C, right? So that's how it works. Goes from one location to the next. Easy peasy stuff. And just create it and learn how to do this kind of stuff. Again, there's videos and things that show you. I'm just giving you guys ways how to make money from home, all right? So e-commerce. And the next thing, you guys, is Fiverr. You know, Fiverr is a great website, and I just found out that they just created this new intro and outro. So if you're a person who likes to, you know, make videos, whether it's automated or just professional stuff, see, look at this person. YouTube, professional intro, outro. You know, starting at $25. This person, I will create YouTube channel intro. Look at this, $1,600, one pop, right? So if you go through here, and they're not only just videos, they do like graphics, writing. You could transcribe videos, video automation, music and audio. There's like, if you want to do English language, fun stuff, all that type of stuff. Now, I'm going to show you guys another website, which is called Jvzoo, right? So again, if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you my number one recommendation of ways how to make money from home, all right? So this right here is Jvzoo. You could sign up. What Jvzoo is, they're like an affiliate marketing hub, which basically have different products and services. Now, these places, yeah, you can go there if you know the skill and you have a skill set of knowing how to do affiliate marketing. That means you know how to run Facebook ads, you know how to do Instagram, all that kind of stuff. You have a YouTube channel or whatever it is. Now you can go here and you could find, if you go, let me click on Marketplace. If you click on Marketplace, if you look in here, there's like tons and tons of things in here, right? Pixel make commercials, SEO. Like if you want to learn how to do this, you can buy them or you can promote them, whichever way. You have e-commerce, financing, health and wellness, self-improvement software, all that kind of stuff. So again, you can come here and you could sell their products and services and promote their products and services, and they will pay you, right? So let's stick into the affiliate marketing line. Now, this company here is called Legendary Marketing. They have an affiliate program to it, but they're not only just an affiliate. And I just want people to know that they're not only just, okay, you sell a product and then you get money for it. No, they're not. They're an educational company under one umbrella, which teaches you how to become a great marketer. Now, if you look in the background there, that's the CEO, Dave Sharp, right? In front of tons of people explaining and teaching people how to become a marketer. Now, if you want to, find ways how to make money online, this is my number one recommendation. Why? Because they teach you how to become a marketer. Now, someone out there, and a lot of people are looking for instant gratification. The first thing they start going online, they start searching, just like any one of these websites. Not so much of this one. Well, this one, you get gift cards and you can exchange it. Now, any one of these websites, it's going to require training. It's going to require coaching, right? Except for this one, if you know how to do it, yeah, you can create it. But remember, you're going to be competing with a lot of people on here who does intros for videos. If you can look at it, lots and lots of people. And it's the same thing with Jvzoo. It's the same thing with Legendary Marketer, right? It's the same thing. But you want to learn how to become a marketer and you want to learn how to stand out from the crowd. So if there's even a lot of people out there, you know how to win the crowd. And a lot of people don't realize that they have to pick a different niche. They have to pick niches and they have to. So as you can see, what is Legendary Marketer? They help people start an online business or grow an existing business using online and cutting edge marketing strategies, right? We help people, learn the necessary professional business and marketing skills to thrive with confidence in an ever-changing and highly competitive online marketplace. So again, you're going to learn. They have different products. They have different services. Some people want to know how to start their own ads agency, right? Maybe you want to learn how to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all that kind of stuff. Maybe you just want to become a better marketer, and they teach a transferable skill. They teach you a skill that you can use it anywhere online. So it will teach you ways how to make money from home. It doesn't matter where it is that you go. All right. So again, I just want to share with you guys these quick websites and ways how to make money from home. Ways how to make money from home. So I hope this helps. And if you guys, if it really helped you, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and let me know if this is your first time or your second time around. Andre, talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.